The Effects of Culture on Women by Charisse, Bertha, Janet, and Melinda. In the 1880s, the Jewish population was recorded at 7,800,000 people. Presently, nearly 3,900 years later, the population is recorded at 14.4 million. 44% of them reside in Israel, 39.5% in the United States. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, Jewish women in America were confined to mostly domestic life. They had few interactions with non-Jews, and they maintained the rituals of their Jewish culture at the homes. And they were responsible for imparting moral and religious consciousness to their children. In the mid to late 20th century, their role in public life increased, and they began to run charities and do other events, but still primarily among the Jewish population. They became more involved in the synagogues, and with the women's rights movements of the 1960s and 70s, there was the Reform movement, and in 1972, the first woman rabbi was in America. With the conservative movement became equal treatment in marriage and equal access to rituals and leadership roles within the Jewish community. In the early 5th century, the bar mitzvahs for boys were very popular. It became popular in 1922 to have bar mitzvahs for girls.